Now, we all know a lot of banks, when it comes to advancing or moving on, are quite conservative. How can Sensedia say to these institutions, look, we can help you with this transition, we can make your data and the journey safe?
Excellent. So for those banks which are resistant to the cloud, of which there are quite a few, we say, fine, once you implement Sensedia's technology, we'll run that on premise for you. You don't need to have it anywhere else other than you're in your secure data center. Your data doesn't go anywhere else. It's all as safe as your current systems are. Added onto that, of course, as we discussed earlier, the security layers, the security mechanisms that we can put in place to prevent any data leakage through APIs, so we're fully compliant with GDPR there as well. For those banks who are pushing the boundaries a bit more and saying, yeah, I want to embrace the cloud, but I still want to keep things in my data center, we offer hybrid technology, kind of a mixture of both. But for those banks who say, do you know what, I haven't got a traditional data center, I'm already in the cloud, do you work there as well? Absolutely, we work there as well. But all this, again, is totally customizable per customer. You can work on-premise, in the cloud, or a mixture of both. But again, I'm going to keep on going on about this. It's all down to that strategy in the first place to understand where do I start and where do I want to get to.
Absolutely amazing. And I've got to talk about really getting to the bottom of that strategy. What is the process with working with Sensedia like? How do you really integrate yourself with that institution and get to know them and know what's the best path for them effectively?
Yeah, so I think, and one of the challenges that we think banks face sometimes is perhaps merging why they want to do something. Is there an IT reason or is there a business reason? If we're talking about open banking, it's a business reason for doing it. There must be a business driver to say, I want to embrace open banking because I want to embrace partners, because I want to offer new services. And it's all about, for us, really understanding what's the customer's business. Now, that's very easy to say, the customer's business is banking. Yeah, we get that, we understand. But let's drill down a bit there. What are you trying to do? What's the 5-year plan? What's the 10-year plan? And only then, I think, can you build a coherent strategy to say, this is what the technology journey needs to look like as well. We understand that, in 5 years, you want to be more agile, you want to have more customers, you want to offer more services. Okay, we can help with both the strategy and the technology move there, but without that business driver, firstly, no one's going to pay for it. But secondly, I think the chances of success are much lower if there's not a business impetus behind that push for that new technology.